Hello friends, I am HL Gupta. I am going to make you understand illustration 10 of portfolio management CMA final SFM. Okay, please read the illustration. Please read the illustration here. Illustration number 10. Okay, look at here. An investor holds two equity shares of A and B, equity share A and equity share B, in equal proportion. In equal proportion means weight of A equal to weight of A equal to weight of B. As we know that sum of weight is equal to 1, and this is suppose x, then x plus x equal to 1. This implies that 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2, that equal to 0.5. In this way the weight of this is 0.50. With the following risk and return, this is the return A, this is the return A, this is the risk A. Standard deviation A means risk A, this is the return B, this is your risk B, this is given. The return of these securities having positive correlation 0.70, that is your coefficient of correlation AB equal to 0.70. You are required to calculate portfolio return and portfolio risk. Portfolio return and portfolio risk you have to calculate having the weight these. Suppose that the investor want to reduce the portfolio risk. 17%. How much should the correlation coefficient to bring the portfolio risk desired level? Okay. There are three questions in this. First, you need to calculate the weight. Thereafter, portfolio return and portfolio risk. And after calculating portfolio return, portfolio risk, you have to calculate coefficient of correlation for portfolio risk 17%. Calculation of coefficient of correlation for portfolio risk 17%. Okay. Look at it. I am going to solve the questions. Look at it. Solution here. Working note first. Calculation of weight of each securities. Calculation of weight of each securities. Look at here. Weight of each securities. In this case, as we know that sum of weight is always 1. You must have to keep in your mind. That's why weight A, weight B, this equal to 1. First, it is given both weight are same, equal. That is the weight A equal to weight B, that equal to X. Hence, we can write x plus x equal to 1, 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2, that equal to 0.5. Hence, weight of A, this is 0.5, weight of B 0.5. We have calculated weight here. Okay. Now I am going to calculate portfolio return. Calculation of answer. First part. Calculation of portfolio return. Portfolio return. This equal to return A weight A, return B, weight B. What are the returns here given in the questions? Return A 28%, return B 24%. This is 28% into 0.5, 24% into 0.5. This is 14% plus 12%, 26%. Now answer of second part. Calculation of portfolio risk. Calculation of portfolio risk. What is the formula of portfolio risk? A standard deviation A weight A whole square, B weight B whole square, 2 standard deviation A weight A, B weight B, coefficient of correlation AB. Look at here. A standard deviation A and weight A. What is the standard deviation A? A standard deviation A is given 30%. A standard deviation B is given 26%. 30 into 0.5 whole square, 26 into 0.5 whole square, 2 into 30 into 0.5, 26 into 0.5, coefficient of correlation. Look at coefficient of correlation is given 0.7, 0.7. Right now it is a 0.7 into 0.70. This is 15x square. This is 15x square, 13x square, 15 into 13 into 2 into 0.7. This is 273. 273. Okay. In this case, 225 plus 169, 273. 273. Total root 667. That is 25.826. 25.83%. In this case, we have calculated weights, we have calculated portfolio return, we have calculated portfolio risk. Now we have to calculate, in this case, third case, portfolio risk is given 17%. If portfolio risk is given 17%, then what will be the coefficient of correlation in this case? Coefficient of correlation. Okay. Now calculation of coefficient of correlation. Coefficient of correlation RAB to bring portfolio risk 17%. Portfolio risk 17%. So in this case, portfolio risk 17%. Now what is the formula of portfolio risk? Portfolio risk, this is your 17%. Formula is a standard deviation A weight A whole square, estimation B weight B whole square, 2 estimation A weight A, B weight B, coefficient of correlation AB, or 17%, this is a root under. What is the standard deviation of A weight A? Weight is a 0.5, 0.5. A standard deviations are given. A standard deviation A 30%, a standard deviation B 26%. Look at it. 30 into 0.5 x square, 26 into 0.5 x square, 2 into 30 into 0.5, 26 into 0.5, coefficient of correlation AB, 17, 15x square, 13x square, 15x square, 13x square. This is 15 into 13 into 2, 390, coefficient of correlation AB. Now, or 17 equal to 225 plus 169, 390 AB, or 17 equal to 225 plus 169, 394 root under 394, 390 AB. Now squaring both sides, or 17 root under 394, 390, coefficient of correlation AB. Squaring both sides, (17x square) root under 394, 390 AB. Squaring both sides. Okay. In this case, 17 into 17, 289, 394, 390 AB, 289, 394, 390 AB. After subtracting these, you will have minus 105. This is the coefficient of correlation AB, or coefficient of correlation AB minus 105 divided by 390, divide 390, you will have 0.269 minus 0.269. Okay, it means to bring portfolio return, portfolio risk 17%, we should have coefficient of correlation. minus 0.269. We should have coefficient of correlation minus 0.269. Okay. Okay, thank you class. Please subscribe my channel, like and share the my videos as much as you can. Okay, thank you class. Beta.